Welcome! In front of me I have HUAWEI Watch GT 6 Pro, and I'm gonna show you how to pair this watch with the iPhone. First you will need to turn on your watch, and you can turn it on by pressing and holding the crown button for a few seconds, basically until you see the logo on the screen. Once you see the logo, you can release the button and wait until the watch is done booting up. In the meantime, let's download and install the HUAWEI Health application on the iPhone we want to pair our watch with. So make sure you have the internet connection and Bluetooth enabled. Then open the App Store, tap on Search, tap on the search bar and type in HUAWEI Health. And on the list of applications you should see HUAWEI Health application. Tap on the Get button to download and install it. Now let's go to our watch. Wake up the screen, select the language from the list of languages. So find the language you like, tap on it. And as you can see, it will tell us to download and install the HUAWEI Health, which we're doing. So let's wait until the application is done installing. After it's done, you can tap on Open. In the app, you can select the service region by tapping right here. Scrolling through the list, find the region you want to use. And then you can tap on it, then tap Next. Next, Agree. Allow ordinary permissions for notifications. And now you should see the Health page. Tap on Devices, Add Device. You will need to log in into HUAWEI ID account, so give me a few seconds. Okay, after you log in, it will basically reboot your app. You need to tap on Next, Agree. Here tap on Continue. And you can allow or deny the permission to read and write data from the health features. If you want to use your watch with the health features, I recommend to allow all of them, or just basically allow the ones that you want to use. I'm just gonna tap on Turn on All, and then I'm gonna tap on Allow, but you can customize this to your liking if you want to. Skip the Add, then tap on Devices again, tap on Add Device, allow the required permission, tap on Add Device again. It will start scanning for the nearby devices, and it should detect your GT6 Pro. So tap on Connect. Tap on the check mark on the watch. Tap on Pair on your iPhone. Allow or deny the permission for the notifications. Allow or deny the permission for the location. Here scroll down, check the box, tap Next. You can allow the access to your contacts if you want to. I'm gonna skip this. And allow the calendar access. And here you can check the boxes to download the updates automatically if you want to. And tap on Done. And now we're gonna have the subscription, I don't care. And you should see your watch right now in the app. Should say connected. And if you go to your watch, go through the tutorial, your watch should be ready to use. And that's how you pair this watch with the iPhone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.